gonna die, guys. We're going over some weird shit. Oh my god. Nope, I'm not looking. I'm not looking down. No, I'm not. I don't think so.
Just a little interesting side note. Mount Washington, which is enshrouded in clouds today, is actually
Are we almost done?
cloud covered 2/3 of the year.
No. Maybe.
It's also at 6,288 feet.
Only 6,000 feet, guys.
The tallest
What about
mountain
Washington?
east of the Mississippi and north of the Carolinas. Now, that doesn't sound like much altitude when considering the Rocky Mountains out west, but there is something else
Are we almost done?
that makes Mount Washington.
Oh, thank you, God.